Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily extend a song in Suno AI. Open Suno AI in your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. If you already created a song before, you are ready to move on. Go to the Create section. This is where all your generated songs are listed. Scroll until you find the song you want to extend. Click on the song and press play so you can hear it again. On the right side of the screen, you will see the song playing with a few options next to it. Look for the option that says Remix and Edit. When you see it, click on it. A small menu will open with more choices. From this menu, select the option that says Extend. After clicking Extend, a new panel will appear on the left side of the screen. Here, you can choose which part of your song you want to keep exactly the same. You can also choose the point where the new part of the song should start. This helps Suno understand what to continue and what to recreate. Next, look for the lyrics section. If you want, you can add new lyrics for the extended part of the song. You can write full lines or just give a short idea. Below that, you will see options to change the style of the song. You can switch the style to something like rap or pop, or keep it close to the original sound. After that, go to the advanced options. Here you will find more options to adjust how the voice sounds. You can change the feel of the vocals to better match your new section. Once everything looks good, click on the Create button. Suno AI will now generate an extended version of your song based on your choices. Thanks for watching.